Welcome to TechApex Academy, your premier destination for computer science education. We guide students from their very first steps into technology through to achieving advanced proficiency. Welcome to Day 7, Sound Integration. Today, we explore audio engineering by adding music, sound effects, and volume control to our Scratch code. Get ready to make some noise. Today, we will identify the pink sound blocks in the audio toolbox, master audio timing by differentiating between play sound until done and start sound blocks, and learn how to trigger interactive audio with user events. The play sound until done block pauses the rest of your code until the audio clip finishes. This is perfect for dialogue or sequential actions. The start sound block fires off the audio instantly, allowing the next blocks to run right away, ideal for quick sound effects. Here is a step-by-step guide for coding a sound effect. Start by clicking the gold Events tab, then drag out a When this sprite clicked trigger block. Switch to the pink sound category, drag out a Start sound block, and snap it directly underneath the trigger block. Finally, click your character to test. Brain check. The audio and sound blocks in the Scratch toolbox are pink. If you want a sound to finish playing completely before your character moves to the next action, you should choose the Play Sound Until Done block. Your mission for Day 7. Try adding a continuous background music loop to your project. You can achieve this using a forever loop structure. Think about which sound block will work best inside that loop. Thank you for watching this video. Join our community to see how we make learning tech fun and impactful. Visit our YouTube channel and unlock your digital potential with TechApex Academy. Like, share, and subscribe.